Have you ever wondered what makes life truly worth living? What motivates us to jump out of bed each morning with a sense of purpose and excitement? The Japanese have a beautiful word for this, Ikigai. It's the reason we wake up, the passion that fuels us, and the joy we find in everyday moments. Ikigai isn't about grand gestures or achieving ultimate success. It's about finding meaning and happiness in the smallest of things. Imagine a life filled with purpose, where your passions align with your skills and contribute to the world around you. This is the essence of Ikigai. It's about recognizing your unique talents and utilizing them to make a positive impact, no matter how big or small. This ancient Japanese concept isn't just a philosophy, it's a way of life that has been practiced for centuries, particularly in Okinawa, Japan, known as the Land of Immortals. Many believe that the principles of Ikigai contribute to the remarkable longevity and happiness of the Okinawan people. They seem to possess an innate understanding of what makes life fulfilling and embrace it every day. Intrigued? Let's delve into the heart of Ikigai and uncover its secrets to living a longer, healthier, and more joyful life. Ikigai isn't some mystical concept that's difficult to grasp. It's built upon simple, fundamental principles that resonate with all of us. Think of it as a Venn diagram, where four essential elements intersect: what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. When these four elements harmonize, you discover your Ikigai. Let's break it down further. What you love represents your passions, the activities that bring you joy and make you feel alive. What you're good at encompasses your skills and talents, the things you excel at effortlessly. What the world needs refers to your purpose, how your unique abilities can contribute to something larger than yourself. And finally, what you can be paid for ensures that your Ikigai is sustainable and can support your livelihood. Finding the sweet spot where these elements converge can be an enlightening journey of self-discovery. It's about identifying your values, exploring your interests, and recognizing how your skills and passions can make a difference in the world. This journey might involve trying new things, stepping outside of your comfort zone, and embracing a growth mindset. Have you ever been so engrossed in an activity that time seemed to slip away? That feeling of complete absorption and enjoyment is called flow, and it's a key ingredient in living an Ikigai-filled life. When we're in a state of flow, we lose ourselves in the present moment. Our worries fade away, and we experience a deep sense of satisfaction and fulfillment. Think about activities that allow you to enter this state of flow. It could be painting, writing, playing an instrument, gardening, or even having a stimulating conversation. These activities often involve a balance between challenge and skill, where we're fully engaged but not overwhelmed. Incorporating more flow-inducing activities into our daily lives can significantly enhance our overall well-being and bring us closer to our Ikigai. One of the beautiful things about Ikigai is that it's not about finding one single grand purpose. It's about discovering joy and meaning in the everyday. It's about appreciating the simple things in life, nurturing our relationships, and finding fulfillment in both our work and leisure time. By aligning our actions with our values and passions, we can infuse our lives with a sense of purpose and direction. Numerous studies have shown a strong correlation between having a sense of purpose in life and improved physical and mental well-being. People who feel a sense of purpose tend to live longer, healthier lives, with lower rates of chronic diseases and increased resilience to stress. This is where Ikigai plays a crucial role. When you have a reason to get up in the morning, something that excites you and gives you a sense of accomplishment, you're more likely to take care of yourself both physically and mentally. You're more inclined to eat healthily, exercise regularly, and engage in activities that nourish your mind and soul. This proactive approach to well-being naturally contributes to a longer, healthier life. Moreover, having a sense of purpose can provide a buffer against stress and adversity. When you have a clear understanding of your values and what truly matters to you, you're better equipped to handle life's challenges. Ikigai provides a sense of grounding and stability, helping you navigate through difficult times with greater resilience and optimism. One of the most endearing aspects of Ikigai is its emphasis on finding joy in the everyday. It's about appreciating the simple pleasures that life has to offer, like savoring a cup of tea in the morning, enjoying a walk in nature, or having a meaningful conversation with a loved one. These small moments of joy, when strung together, create a tapestry of happiness that enriches our lives. The Okinawan people, masters of Ikigai, are known for their ability to find pleasure in the ordinary. They take time to connect with nature, engage in mindful activities like gardening or tea ceremonies, and cherish their social connections. By cultivating an attitude of gratitude and appreciation for the present moment, they're able to find joy in even the smallest of things. This approach to life isn't about seeking out grand adventures or material possessions, it's about finding fulfillment in the everyday moments that make up our lives. It's about slowing down, being present, and appreciating the beauty that surrounds us. By shifting our focus from what we lack to what we already have, we open ourselves up to a world of simple joys that can bring immense happiness. In many cultures, individuality is celebrated, but in Okinawa, community plays a vital role in the pursuit of Ikigai. The Okinawan people have a strong sense of community known as moai, groups of people who share common interests and support each other throughout their lives. These moais provide a sense of belonging, purpose, and social connection, which are essential for overall well-being. Belonging to a supportive community can have a profound impact on our health and happiness. It provides a sense of security, reduces feelings of loneliness and isolation, and gives us a platform to share our joys and sorrows. When we feel connected to others and have a sense of purpose within a community, it enhances our overall sense of well-being and contributes to a longer, happier life. The Okinawan moais are a testament to the power of human connection. These groups often gather regularly to share meals, engage in activities together, and support each other through life's ups and downs. This strong sense of community fosters a sense of belonging, purpose, and interconnectedness, which are all crucial ingredients in living an Ikigai-filled life. Discovering your Ikigai isn't about a sudden epiphany, it's an ongoing journey of self-discovery and exploration. It's about being open to new experiences, trying new things, and listening to your inner voice. Start by reflecting on your passions, interests, and values. What activities bring you joy? What are you naturally drawn to? Once you have a clearer understanding of what makes you tick, explore ways to incorporate these passions into your daily life. It could be as simple as dedicating 30 minutes each day to a hobby you love, volunteering for a cause you're passionate about, or connecting with like-minded individuals who share your interests. The key is to take small, consistent steps towards aligning your actions with your passions. Remember, your Ikigai doesn't have to be something grand or extraordinary. It can be found in the simplest of things. It's about finding joy and meaning in your everyday life and using your unique talents and passions to make a positive impact on the world around you. Embrace the journey, be patient with yourself, and trust that your Ikigai will unfold naturally over time. On your journey to uncover your Ikigai, it's crucial to embrace the beauty of imperfection. Don't get caught up in the pursuit of perfection or feel pressured to find your one true calling overnight. Ikigai is not a destination, it's a journey filled with twists, turns, and unexpected detours. Embrace the unknown, be open to trying new things, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each experience, whether positive or negative, contributes to your growth and brings you closer to your Ikigai. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to find your purpose. It's a personal journey unique to you. Instead of striving for perfection, focus on progress. Celebrate your small victories, learn from your setbacks, and keep moving forward. Embrace the journey with an open heart and a curious mind, and trust that your Ikigai will reveal itself in its own time. Sometimes our Ikigai isn't something we consciously choose. It's something we stumble upon through life experiences, encounters with others, or a deep inner calling. Pay attention to the signs and synchronicities that present themselves in your life. What sparks your curiosity? What are you naturally drawn to? Often, our Ikigai lies at the intersection of our passions, skills, and the needs of the world around us. It's about finding a way to use our unique talents and gifts to make a positive contribution, no matter how big or small. This could involve volunteering your time to a cause you care about, sharing your knowledge and skills with others, or simply being a source of love and support for those around you. Don't be afraid to explore different avenues and experiment with various activities. The more you experience, the closer you'll get to uncovering what truly resonates with your soul. Trust your intuition, follow your heart, and be open to the possibilities that unfold before you. Remember, your Ikigai is uniquely yours. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to finding your purpose and living a meaningful life. What brings joy and fulfillment to one person may differ greatly from another's. Embrace your individuality and honor the path that feels most authentic to you. Don't be afraid to deviate from societal expectations or feel pressured to follow a certain path. Your Ikigai is not about conforming to external pressures but about aligning with your inner compass and pursuing what truly sets your soul on fire. Trust your instincts, follow your heart, and create a life that feels meaningful and fulfilling to you. Your Ikigai journey is an ongoing process of self-discovery, growth, and evolution. As you evolve and change, so too will your Ikigai. Embrace the fluidity of life, be open to new possibilities, and allow your Ikigai to unfold organically. Discovering your Ikigai is not a passive endeavor. It requires action, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. Once you have a sense of what brings you joy and fulfillment, take concrete steps to integrate it into your daily life. Start small, be consistent, and gradually build upon your efforts. Remember, living your Ikigai is not about achieving some grand outcome or reaching a final destination. It's about finding joy and purpose in the everyday moments. It's about waking up each morning with a sense of excitement and approaching each day with intention and gratitude. Embrace the journey, savor the small victories, and never lose sight of what truly matters to you. Your Ikigai is waiting to be discovered. All you have to do is take the first step.